Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2015. The session is October-November. This is question number 5. In this question, we'll use trigonometry to find the lengths and angles. So let's start. In the question, they've given us multiple triangles. The question reads, the diagram shows a vertical radio mast AB. Three of the wires that hold the mast in place are attached to it at F, H and D. The base A of the mast and the ends F, G and C of the wires are in a straight line on horizontal ground. Part A says the wire CD has length 65 meters. It is attached to the mast at D where AD is 40 meters. It says calculate AC. We have to find this length over here. They have given us this length, this is 65, and they have given us AD, this entire length, which is 40. So this is a pretty easy question. You use the Pythagoras theorem. You do DC squared minus AD squared, which is equal to AC squared. So let's plug in the values. AC squared is equal to 65 squared, which is the length of DC, minus 40 squared, which is the length of AD. So AC squared, let's see what that comes out. 65 squared minus 40 squared. This comes out to be 2625. When you find the square root on both sides, this value comes out to be 51.2 meters. So you write the value over here, 51.2. The next part says the wire EF makes an angle of 25 degrees with the horizontal and is of length 30 meters. Calculate AF. So they're saying that this line over here makes 25 degrees angle with the horizontal line and EF is 30 meters. They're asking us to find this length over here. So this is the opposite over the hypotenuse, which gives us the sine rule. So sine 25 should be equal to the opposite, which is AF, over the hypotenuse, which is EF. In this case, this is 30 meters. So AF comes out to be sine 25 times 30. Let's see what that value is. Sine 25 times 30. Sine 25 times 30 gives us 12.7 meters. So we write our answer over here, 12.7. The next part says AH is 35 meters. The wire HG makes an angle of 30 degrees with the mast AB. Calculate AG. So this sentence over here, 30 degrees with the mast AB. This means that, one second, let me remove every other thing. So this line over here, this one makes an angle of 30 degrees. And they've told us that AH is this line over here is 35 meters, not degrees. We have to find the length of this side, which is the hypotenuse. So since 30 degrees is over here, the adjacent is going to be AH and the hypotenuse is going to be HG. So this brings us to the cos rule. Cos 30 degrees is equal to the adjacent, which is 35 meters, over the hypotenuse, which is HG. So we have to calculate the hypotenuse. HG would be equal to 35 divided by cos 30. Let's plug this into the calculator. 35 divided by cos 30. This gives us 40.4 meters. That's your answer, 40.4, and we're done with the question. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.